Hi, welcome to Richard's Kitchen. My good friend Wendy asked me to make a cooking video. So, because I like to bake, we are going to make strawberry banana bread muffins. My private recipe. You won't find it anywhere else. It is super moist, super delicious. So, as far as the recipe goes, shh, don't tell anybody. Okay, so we're going to start with the recipe. I go a little bit off the normal beaten path with that. I start out with 3 eggs because I have 3 medium eggs. I do 2 large eggs if they're available. Use those. Start with 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar. I do half white and half the brown sugar. You can do 3 to 4 large bananas mashed up fine, or you could do 5 small bananas, 4 to 5. I like to go a little bit above, like the 4 large or the 5 small, just because I like a nice banana taste in my muffins. I do 1 cup of finely chopped strawberries, and then we do a teaspoon of cinnamon, teaspoon of baking soda. And one thing I do that is not in most recipes for banana bread is I put in 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder. I like to have my muffins rise up a little more, be a little fluffier. So that's why I do that. You can do 1 teaspoon of vanilla, but I cheat a little bit and I put in 2 because I really like the taste of vanilla. So when it comes to starting with the eggs, I start with the eggs first, and I, as my mom always said, beat the bejesus out of them. I like to make my eggs nice and frothy so that they wind up being fluffier. Every step I put in, I will put in and beat the bejesus out of the batter. So I'm going to start the oven, so it'll be at 350, and then I'll start to mix everything together. Okay, now that we beat the bejesus out of these eggs, I'm going to put in, for the next step, is I'm going to put in the vanilla. Now, because I bake all the time, I usually don't use measuring spoons, measuring cups, whatever. So this is 1 teaspoon, and here's another teaspoon, and a splash extra. And mix that in. And then after I do that, we're going to throw in the cinnamon, baking soda, and baking powder. Now I'm going to throw in the sugar. Get that in there, because we want to be sweet like me. Now we can't forget 1 stick of butter. I almost forgot that. It's softened at room temperature. That'll make sure that the muffins are nice and slick when they go down. There won't be any trouble while you're eating. Okay, now we're going to put in the bananas. Let's put that back just a tiny bit. There we go. Okay, now there's a secret part of this recipe I did not share yet, and I'm going to let you know in just one moment.